Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're running an online store with Wix and you're looking to offer local delivery to your customers, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up local delivery for your Wix e-commerce store, step by step. This is going to help you serve your nearby customers more efficiently and potentially boost your sales. So let's get right into it. First things first, head over to your Wix dashboard. If you're new to the platform, the dashboard is essentially your command center. It's where you can manage everything about your site and store. So go ahead and log in, and from your dashboard, look for your store page. This is your main hub for managing all things related to your products, orders, and settings. Make sure you're in the right place before we move on. Now, take a moment to scroll down. You're looking for the Settings section. Settings might sound like a generic place, but this is actually where all the crucial details about how your store operates are handled. So let's click on Settings. Once you're in, you'll see a list of options. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. You're just going to focus on shipping. Go ahead and select shipping from the list. All right, now under the Domestic section, you should see the option to edit your delivery destinations. Click on Edit Destination right there. This is an important step because it's where Wix needs to know exactly where you're willing and able to deliver. Maybe you only want to offer local delivery, or maybe you want to exclude certain regions. This is the place to set that up. You can choose the country you're delivering to, add a new country, or remove an existing one if it's not applicable. For instance, if you only deliver within the United States, make sure only the US is selected. Once you've made your changes, don't forget to hit Save. Saving ensures these preferences actually apply to your store. Now comes the part that makes your store extra friendly for local shoppers, adding a local delivery option. Find and click on Add Rate. Then, from the choices that appear, select Local Delivery. This is the magic button that will let your nearby customers choose delivery straight to their doorstep rather than shipping. Once you've selected Local Delivery, hit Continue to move forward. Here, you'll need to enter a few important details. First, type in the name that customers will see during checkout, something clear and recognizable like Local Delivery or Same-Day Delivery if that applies. Setting a clear name helps avoid any confusion for your customers when choosing their delivery method. Next, you'll set the delivery area. This step is extra important. Type in the address or area that you're able to deliver to, whether that's specific neighborhoods, zip codes, or a certain radius from your store. Think about your team's ability to fulfill these orders efficiently, and don't hesitate to be specific. If you have a physical shop in downtown Chicago and can only deliver within 10 miles, make that super clear here. Now, set up the delivery time. This is where you tell customers when they can expect their orders. Same day, next day, or maybe certain days of the week. If you only deliver on weekends, mention that. Clear delivery times not only set expectations, they build customer trust. After entering all these details, click Add to finalize your local delivery setup. And that's it. You've successfully set up local delivery for your Wix online store. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now your local customers can enjoy faster, more convenient delivery, and you've made your store that much more appealing. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ran into any issues, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your online store.